Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 KAWASAKI ZX636. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 5,153 miles and passes New York State inspection. It should be noted that in New Hampshire, this bike would fail for its rear turn signals, but in New York, this is not an issue. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are blemishes in the finish on the left side of the lower fairing. This bike has 2 keys and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with an Akrapovic slip-on exhaust, an exhaust servo delete kit, a link pipe, Shogun frame sliders, tech-spec tank pads, a Puge tinted windscreen, a quad block stem mount, an aftermarket fairing, a rear fender eliminator kit, LED front turn signals, and integrated LED turn signals. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.